This is your feeder and stocker report for Tuesday, July 28th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction markets throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta, Monday, steers 900 pounds plus 463 to 465, 8 to 9, 477 to 522, 7 to 8, 535 to 567, 6 to 7, 555 to 605, 5 to 6, 645 to 690, 4 to 5, 710 to 720, 3 to 4, 860 to 880. Heifers 900 pounds plus, 396 to 416, 8 to 9, 436 to 450, 7 to 8, 445 to 510, 6 to 7, 529 to 550, 5 to 6, 565 to 590, 4 to 5, 610 to 645. Middle-aged cows with younger calves at their side traded from $5,600 per pair to $6,900 per pair. Alberta direct cattle sales Monday saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Last week, Alberta Fed prices were trading at a $6 premium to the U.S. market. That is the largest premium seen this year. Canadian beef retail price for the month of May was reported at $27.39 per kilogram. This is the second consecutive month of lower retail beef prices. Retail beef prices are sitting 11% higher than last year. Retail chicken prices strengthened from April to May, setting new highs. Retail chicken prices are 11% higher than last year. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1, D2 cows traded from 240 to 255, D3 cows 223 to 238. Bulls in Central Alberta Monday brought 275 to 280. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Iowa and Nebraska with dress sales at $360, $5 to $10 lower than the previous week. A few cattle traded in Kansas at $228 on a live basis, $2 to $3 softer. This light test of the market does not set a price trend. Significant trade will likely hold off until the second half of the week. Showless volumes in Colorado and Nebraska are smaller than last week. The USDA released its July 1st cattle on feed report last week and was right in line with pre-report estimates. Feedlot placements for the month of June were 3% lower than last year. The largest decline in placements were in Kansas. Placements were steady to lower for all classes except calves under 600 pounds. Drought conditions in parts of the U.S. could be forcing some calves to be weaned early. July 1st cattle on feed inventories are historically large, 2% larger than last year. National boner cows averaged $337.10. The nearby Canadian dollar at $8.30 was trading at $71.09, up 13 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 226.70 up 147, October 220.70 up 192, December 219.82 up 242. This is Megan Connors with CanFax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.